Hello, what's up guys? Shantanu Jaswal here. In this video series we will talk about some feature of Sublime Text Editor. So first of all we look how to install Sublime Text Editor and how to install package control. So we go on Google Chrome and search sublimetext.com and download for Windows. Click on it and click on save. I'll click on cancel because I'll download it previously, so I'll go open that folder where you download your setup of Sublime Text Editor. I'll download in my downloads folder, double click on the setup, go yes, next, add to explore context. There is no need to click on it and install. Wait for installation. After finish, now go and search Sublime Text Editor 3, maximize it, go on tools and command palette dialog box. Here search install package control, click on it and wait for installation. After completion of that process, you should have to download the most important feature or package, that is Emmet. It is basically work for website designing and website development. I'll describe it in my next video. So thank you very much.